In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Payfast in WooCommerce. We'll go through the full setup process from start to finish so you can connect your online store to Payfast, test everything safely, and make sure payments are working properly before you go live. This is a very important part of setting up your store, because even if your products and checkout page look great, your business can't run smoothly unless your payment gateway is configured correctly. To begin, create a Payfast merchant account if you don't already have one, or simply sign in to your existing account. You'll need access to your merchant details in order to connect Payfast to WooCommerce, so it's a good idea to keep that account open in another tab while you work. Next, open your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage your store settings and install the payment integration. Once you're inside the dashboard, install the Payfast WooCommerce plugin. Make sure you choose the correct plugin designed specifically for WooCommerce so the payment gateway integrates properly with your checkout process. After the plugin has been installed, activate it. Activation is what makes the gateway available inside your WooCommerce payment settings. Without this step, the plugin may be installed but not usable yet. Now go to WooCommerce, then Settings, and then the Payments tab. This is where all of your store's payment methods are managed. Find Payfast in the list and enable it so customers will be able to use it during checkout once your setup is complete. Once Payfast is enabled, enter the required merchant information from your Payfast account. Be careful here and make sure every field is filled in accurately, because even a small mistake can prevent transactions from processing correctly. If you're copying details from your Payfast account, double-check them before moving on. Before accepting real customer payments, configure Sandbox or Test Mode first. This step is strongly recommended because it gives you a safe environment to verify that the connection is working without processing real money. It's the best way to catch setup issues early and avoid problems after launch. When that's done, save the settings. This ensures all of your changes are applied and stored in WooCommerce. The final step is to complete a test WooCommerce order. Go through the checkout process as if you were a customer and verify that the payment is handled correctly. Then confirm that the payment and the order both appear as expected in your store before going live. Once everything looks correct, you'll know your Payfast setup is ready for real transactions.